From the beginning of the 20th century, the freedom movement of India against the British rule got a new zeal. People found great strength from the hymn Vande Mataram, meaning Hail the Mother. They stood bravely against all tortures. The man who gave this great mantra to the people of this country is a great author and thinker, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra was born in Katalpara, 24 Parganas. Father, Jadav Chandra Chattopadhyay, was a respected deputy collector. When only 5 years old, Bankim, having read the Bengali alphabets only once, memorized and wrote all of it.
What is this, Bankim? What are you doing with my pen? See, your son has memorized all the letters of the alphabet. I must take him to Midnapur, where he would get into a better school.
At Midnapur's English medium school, Bankim comes out with flying colors in his exams. Mr. Ted calls Jadav Chandra.
Good morning, Mr. Ted.
Good morning, Mr. Chatterjee. You'll be happy to hear that Bankim has done wonderful in his examinations, and I want to give him a double promotion.
I beg to differ, Mr. Ted. He should step on every rung of the ladder and not jump over any.
At 11, Bankim has once again returned to Katalipara.
I'm seeing my son after such a long time.
I am going to get his admission done at the Hooghly College. He can attend college from home.
At only 15 years of age, Bankim's poetry has been published in Ishwar Gupta's reputed Bengali journal, Sombad Prabhakar.
Ma, Sombad Prabhakar has published Bankim's poetry.
Bankim's poetry has been published in the newspaper. Listen! Listen, Bankim's poetry has been published in the newspaper.
Bankim successfully sailed through one exam after the another. At the young age of 20, Bankim was appointed as deputy collector.
I am proud of you, son. I know you will bring glory to our family.
Bankim starts working very hard and did everything possible to help the common people, uplift the living conditions of the poor villagers.
Not a single pirate escape!
As a magistrate, Bankim ensured that pirates on the rivers of Bengal were defeated and the merchants carrying their goods through the waterways were safe.
How dare you say you won't cultivate indigo? No, sir! I will destroy everything that you have, and then I will see how you will not listen to my orders!
You are under arrest, Mr. Morel.
As magistrate of Khulna, Bankim dared to arrest an English indigo trader by the name Morel in a country that was under the English rule. On one side, when he braved all odds as a government officer and worked freely to help the poor and tortured Indians. On the other hand, Bankim Chandra applied himself to the pursuit of literature. His novel, Durgesh Nandini, published in 1865, made a great impact on the Bengali literary circle. He kept authoring novels one after the other. Bengal discovered a literary monarch. Long before he wrote Anandamot, Bankim Chandra had written the invocating chant, Vande Mataram.
Purnachandra, do read this and tell me what you think of it.
This is okay. Whether the writing is good or not, you will realize much later, Hai Pandit. I may not be alive then.
True. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's prediction indeed came true. Vande Mataram mantra made our dream of freedom come true. It brought a new spirit in our freedom movement.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.